the ratio of numerical value of average velocity and average speed of a body is always in these four options, which is the correct one. First, they are asking about average velocity and average speed. What is average velocity? Average velocity. Average velocity is equal to total displacement by total displacement divided by total time taken. Total time. And average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time. Total distance divided by total time. So first you have to know relation between distance and displacement. What? Because average velocity is directly proportional to displacement, average speed is directly proportional to the distance. First we have to know the relation between the distance and displacement. Now I am writing here point A and point B position is there. What is the path? The path it is, they given it is like this. The path it is like this. Now one person it is walking along this direction, so he reached the position B. Now this distance I am writing is nothing but this is the distance, because length of the path covered by the particle is called distance. Now here distance, according to this one, distance. Okay. Now what is the displacement? Displacement is nothing but a shortest distance from initial point to final point. A shortest distance from initial point to final point is called displacement. So from initial point to final point, this straight line is nothing but a displacement. A shortest distance from initial point to final point is called displacement. Now everyone know very clearly this is distance and this is displacement, means this is greater than the displacement. Distance is greater than displacement. So distance is greater than displacement. Displacement means this length is greater than this length. This path length is greater than this path. So that's why distance is greater than displacement. For example, if you take the straight line, see here A to B. Now one object is traveling from, one vehicle it is going from point A to point B, that is 5 kilometers distance. Isn't it? It reaches the final position. Finally the vehicle it is reached the final position, isn't it? The vehicle it is reached the final position. Now this is the distance. Okay, this is the distance. What is displacement? According to the displacement definition, a shortest distance from initial point to final point is called displacement. So here A is the initial point and B is final point. We have to draw the line from initial point to final point. See here, along this is the distance and displacement also same. Along the straight line, distance is equal to displacement. Distance is equal to displacement. So see here, distance is greater than displacement here, and in this situation distance is equal to displacement. So you can write here distance is greater than or equal to displacement. Distance is nothing but we can write as a speed. Speed is greater than or equal to velocity. Displacement is nothing but a velocity. This one you can write as a average speed is greater than or equal to average velocity. Average speed is equal to greater than or equal to average velocity according to this condition. Distance is greater than or equal to displacement. So distance is nothing but speed. Speed is directly proportional to distance. So that's why speed is greater than or equal to velocity. And this one you can write average speed is greater than or equal to average velocity. Now here asking average velocity and average speed. Average velocity is less than the average speed and average velocity is equal to speed. Which one it is equal to means unit, and average velocity is less than average speed. Option 2 is the correct one. Option 2 is the correct one.